How are you today?
Wonderful, thank you.
No problem. How long have you been coming to our salon?
About a year.
And what do you like about our salon?
It's very friendly, very clean, and I always get exactly what I want.
And so how was your service with Eric today?
It was excellent. He insulted me in the best way.
And what do you like about getting acrylic?
Honestly, I just like the way it looks. I like the feel of it and the customizing that can be done with it.
Okay, and so why do you choose that over other products?
Mostly this is what I'm used to, but I haven't tried anything else that I've liked as much as acrylic.
And if you were to tell a friend about getting acrylic nails here with us, what would that be?
That they always do such a good job. I've never had a bad experience, and I'll recommend.
And is there anything that we can improve to make your experience here better?
Absolutely not. I think y'all are 10 out of 10 on every level of it, so absolutely.
Well, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Told you. Literally takes like a minute.
I know it felt like forever, but I know it was just a couple minutes.
Is,